This is our lesson 20, which is probability. What is probability all about? Probability is about calculating what might happen in the future. It is the branch of mathematics which looks at chance. If the likelihood of an event occurring is impossible, then the probability is 0. If the likelihood of an event occurring is inevitable, which is it's certain, then the probability is 1. Probability of an event A occurring is given by probability A is equals to favorable outcomes divided by all total possible outcomes. And probability not A is equals to 1 minus probability A. Let's look at an example. There are 3 green balls, 4 red balls, 5 blue balls, and 8 yellow balls in a box. If a ball is randomly picked from the box, calculate the probability that the ball will be blue. Calculate the probability that the ball will be blue. Now, when you're looking at probability, you have to look at the favorable outcomes. The question is saying calculate the probability that it will be blue. How many blue balls were in the box? There were 5. All total possible outcomes is the total number of balls in the box. How many balls were there? We are going to add 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 8. If you add 3 plus 4, you get a 7. 7 plus 5 will give us a 12. 12 plus 8 will give us 20. Therefore, there were 20 balls in the box. That was the total possible outcome. So we are saying probability blue is equals to favorable outcomes. How many blue balls did we have? That is our favorable outcome. How many balls did we have? We had 20. So the probability of picking a blue was 5 over 20. Take that to its lowest terms. We are going to get 1 over 4. We continue. What was the probability of picking a yellow ball? Since we know that probability is equals to favorable outcomes over total possible outcomes, how many yellow balls did we have? We had 8. The total number of balls was how many? 20. So probability of picking a yellow is equals to favorable outcomes, which is 8 over the total number of balls, which is 20. So our probability is 8 over 20. Take that to its lowest terms. We are going to get a 2 over 5. We continue. What was the probability of picking a red? How many red balls did we have? 4. What was the total number of balls? 20. Take that to its lowest terms. We are going to get 1 over 5. We continue. Probability of picking green. How many green balls did we have? We had 3. Or the number of balls in the box was 20. Therefore, the probability of picking a green was 3 over 20. Now, the probability of picking a red, blue, yellow, and green, when you add all of them, you should get a 1. We go to example E. What was the probability of picking not green? What was the probability of picking not green? The probability of picking not green is equals to 1 minus the probability of picking a green. Let's do that. So we are saying probability not green is equals to 1 minus probability green. But we've already found the probability of picking a green ball, which is 3 over 20. So where there's probability green, we are going to replace a 3 over 20. Let's do that. If you express this 1 as a common fraction, it will be 1 over 1. Our common denominator will be a 20. So we'll say 1 into 20, 20. 20 times 1, 20. Minus 20 into 20, 1. 1 times 3, 3. So we are going to get 20 minus 3 as our numerator divided by 20. So the probability of picking not green will be equals to 17 over 20. That is our answer. We continue. What is the probability of picking not yellow? What is the probability of picking not yellow? The probability of picking not yellow is equals to 1 minus the probability of picking a yellow ball. Let's do that. So we are saying probability not yellow is equals to 1 minus probability of picking a yellow ball. But we already found the probability of picking a yellow ball. So where there's probability yellow, we are going to substitute 8 over 20. And then we'll simplify this as a common fraction. We'll express 1 as a common fraction by putting 1 over 1. Our common denominator here will be 20. 1 into 20, 20 times 1, 20 minus 20 into 21, 1 times 8 will give us 8. So we are going to get that. So if you subtract 20 minus 8, you get a 12. 12 over 20 can be taken to its lowest terms by dividing the numerator by 4 and the denominator by 4. Our answer will be 3 over 5. So that was the probability of picking not yellow. As simple as that.